Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class first year unit number 1 complex number. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 1.3 question number 2 part 1 to 4, that is most important for paper's point of view. So let's start question number 3. Question number 2 part number 1. Factorize the following. Factorize the polynomial p of z into linear factors. Part number 1, p of z is equal to z square plus 9. Part number 2, p of z is equal to 5 z square plus 3. Part number 3, p of z is equal to z cube minus 3z square plus z plus 5. And part number 4, p of z is equal to z cube minus 7z plus 6. So let's start part number 1. P of z is equal to z square plus 9. So next, z square minus into minus 1 into 3 square can also be written in this form. So minus multiply on both sides. 3 square is equal to 9. So equal to z square minus into minus 1 is equal to iota square 3 square, which is equal to z square minus 3 iota whole square. So next, z square minus 3 iota whole square can also be written in the form of z minus 3 iota into z plus 3 iota, which is the required solution. Next, part number 2, p of z is equal to 5z square plus 3. So next, 5 can also be written in the form of 5 under root of 5 whole square z square plus 3 can also be written in the form of under root of 3 whole square. If we cancel, square cancel, which is equal to 3. So for under root of 5 can also be written in this form, under root of 5 whole square. So next, under root 5 z whole square. So minus multiply minus 1 into under root of 3 whole square. So next, under root of 5 into z whole square is equal to minus into iota square minus 1 is equal to iota square under root of 3 whole square. So next, under root 5 z whole square minus under root 3 iota whole square, under root 5 z whole square minus under root 3 iota whole square can also be written in the form of under root of 5 z minus under root of 3 iota into under root of 5 z plus under root of 3 iota. So p of z is equal to under root of 5z minus under root 3z under root of 5z plus under root 3z, which is the required solution. Next, part number 3. Part number 3, that is p of z is equal to z cube minus 3z square So next, plus z plus 5 using by synthetic division. So 1 minus 3 z cube minus 1. So coefficient of z square is minus 3, coefficient z is 1, 5. So next multiply minus 1 first. So first 1 as it is, 1 into minus 1. So 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So minus 4 multiply minus 1 is equal to plus 4. So 4 plus 1 is equal to plus 5. 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So z is equal to minus 1 root is, and second z square minus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. So z square minus 4z plus 4 plus 1 can also be written this form, z square minus 4z plus 4. So z minus 2 whole square minus into minus 1 can also be written in this form. So minus 1. So z minus 2 whole square minus into iota square, minus 1 is equal to iota square. So z minus 2 minus iota into z minus 2 plus iota. Hence the required polynomial p of z is equal to first z plus 1 into z minus 2 minus iota. Next z minus 2 plus iota, which is the required solution. Next part number 4. Part number 4, that is z cube minus 7z plus 6 So next, using by synthetic division, first one, z cube coefficient is 1 minus, so z square has no coefficient, z square value is 0, low term z square z coefficient is equal to minus 7. Next constant, so constant is 6, first minus 1, first we check minus 1, so 1 as it is 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus a plus 0 minus 1 multiply minus 1 plus 1, So minus 7 plus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 plus 1 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So next check 1 into 1 1. So 1 plus 0 1. Next 1 into 1 1. 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 multiply 1 is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Z is equal to plus 1 is the root, and second z square plus z plus z minus 6. So next z square plus 3z minus 2z minus 6 is the factorizations of z square plus z minus 6, because 3z minus 2z is equal to z. So which is equal to z. Taking common z, so z into z plus 3 minus 2 common, so z minus multiple minus plus 2 3 times 6, so z minus 2 into z plus 3. So next polynomial of z is equal to z minus 1 into z minus 2 into z plus 3, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.